Hi students, I am Tufan. Welcome to CMI's Digital Classrooms. Today we will learn the chapter 3's the word problems on addition. So if we are talking about the chapter exercise 3.5, we have word problems. So let's discuss the first question. First question is asking uh, in a particular there are two booths, milk booths. Okay, so the particular peoples or someone is delivering the milk in those two particular booths, and the quantity of milk which that particular person is delivering, that is also given. So you have to find out that how much total milk he is delivering. Okay, so अगर इसको हम लोग हिंदी में बताएं तो ये पूछा जा रहा है कि एक आदमी है जो दो दूध का बूथ में दूध का जो ये रहता है स्टॉल रहता है वहाँ पे वो दूध का सप्लाई कर रहे हैं, और दोनों दूध का जो बूथ है उसमें कितना कितना दूध वो दे रहे हैं, कितना कितना मिल्क सप्लाई कर रहे हैं वो दिया हुआ है। तो आपको ये निकालना है कि टोटल वो कितना दूध सप्लाई कर रहे हैं, राइट। सो इट्स वेरी सिंपल। सपोज आई एम आस्किंग कि you are drinking milk, okay, and you are drinking milk, not you only, suppose your family is collecting milk, okay, so from two particular person, दो आदमी से सपोज आपका फैमिली दूध लेते हैं, एक आदमी से शाम में और एक आदमी से सुबह में, ठीक है। तो सुबह में मान लो एक आदमी से लेते हैं 2 लीटर और शाम में एक आदमी से लेते हैं 4 लीटर। तो अगर हम पूछते हैं तो कि टोटल दूध आपके घर में कितना आता है, तो क्या करोगे, ऐड करोगे, क्योंकि 2 + 4 = 6। So the same thing we will do here, but here we have some large number. So let's see which large number we have. Okay, it is not given in liter, so it is given in bottle. So in one booth this much of bottles is delivering, and another booth this much of bottle is delivering. So total number of bottles is delivering is equal to 4357 plus 3257. So we will do the addition. So let's do here addition. Addition whenever you used to do, you do in the right side after giving like this. Okay, don't do anywhere or somewhere. So here only you will do. So 4357 and 3256. 3256. So here we will add. So 7 plus 6 is how much? 6 to 12 plus 1 13. 13 3 1 carry. 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 carry. So 6 7. So that means 7613 bottles of total milk that particular van is delivering. One van is there, that van is delivering the milk in these two booths. So 7613 bottles. So this much of total bottles of milk delivery. So whatever the option is there, 7613, that will be the correct answer of question number 1. Question number second of 1 is, it is asking in a particular company, in 1 week the production of toys, the number of production of toys is this much, and in the next week the number of production of toys is this much. So how much total number of toys produced in these 2 वीक्स। ओके, सो एक कंपनी है जो फर्स्ट वीक में इतने टॉयज बनाते हैं, खिलौना बनाते हैं, दूसरे वीक में इतने खिलौना बनाते हैं, तो टोटल खिलौना कितना बनाता है, ठीक है। सो इट्स वेरी सिंपल। हम लोग एक एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे कि आप देखे होंगे ये जो ब्रिक्स किलन है, जो ईंटा का भट्टा है, वहाँ पे ईंटा बनता है, राइट। तो अगर हम ये बोलें कि एक दिन में वहाँ पे सपोज मान लो कि 1000 ईंटा बनता है, 1000 लेते हैं, इट विल बी राउंड ऑफ। सो 1000 ईंटा मान लो एक दिन में बनता है, और हम अगर बोलते हैं कि 2 दिन में कितना बनेगा, सो विल 8 डेफिनेटली 1 + 1 2। अगर हम इसमें बोलते हैं 5 दिन में कितना बनेगा, तो 5000। ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ हेयर ऑल्सो, यहाँ पे भी यही पूछा गया है कि एक कंपनी में एक वीक में इतना बनता है, दूसरा वीक में इतना बनता है, तो टोटल दोनों वीक मिला के कितना बनता है, ठीक है। So we'll add definitely. So let's check after adding. So here 2248 plus 3562. So let's check here after adding. So 2 2 4 8 2 6 5 3. 8 plus 2 is 10, 0, 1 carry. Okay, 6 plus 4 is 10, 1, 11, 1 carry. 5 plus 2 is 7, 8, 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5810. This much of toys will be produced including 2 weeks. So this is how you can do question number 2. Third question of question number 1, choose the correct options, MCQ questions, is in a particular school the number of children in primary classes is this much, number of children in middle classes is this much, and number of children in secondary classes is this much. So primary, middle and secondary. Okay, so suppose I am taking one example that in our school only, I am saying that in primary classes 250 students are there. Then in middle, suppose 120 I am saying. Let's write here. Suppose I am telling in primary 250 and middle I am saying 120 and in secondary suppose 70 students are there. I am taking an example, this is not the accurate one. Okay, so in secondary let's say in secondary 330. Okay, so now if I am saying how much is the total number of students in our school, then what you will do? Yes, definitely we will add. So let's see after adding how much it will be. So 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 0, 1 carry. Okay, so 3 plus 3 is 6, 7. So that means 700. Okay, so this is how this one also will do after adding, that the number of total students in our school is equal to how much, in that particular school is equal to how much. Okay, so let's check. Show primary this much, middle this much, secondary this much. So total students is equal to 825 plus 638 plus 595. Okay, so here let's check after reading 825, 638, 595. So we'll add here 5 plus 5 is 10, 18, 10 plus 8 is 18, 8, 1 carry. So 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 9 is 15. So 5, 1 carry, 8 plus 9, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20. So that means 2058. So here the number of student is 2058 children. This is how you can do question number 3rd of 1. Okay, whatever the options is, whichever the options A, B or C, this number, this will be the correct one. Okay. Question number 2 is asking, in a company, the number of soft productions are given. Soft cakes productions means जो साबुन होता है, केक टाइप का होता है, that is why it is called soft cake. तो वो जो सॉफ्ट बनाता है, साबुन जो बनाता है, वो कितना बनाता है? फर्स्ट डे इतना बनाता है, सेकेंड डे इतना बनाता है और थर्ड डे इतना बनाता है. So it is given that in 3 days these are the number of productions given. So total number of productions you have to find out. Very simply you can find by adding. So see, this is the problem may be happening here. The chapter wise is there. यहाँ पे तो chapter wise है, आपको समझ जाता है कि ये chapter एडिशन का है तो सारा एडिशन होगा, बहुत सिंपली स्टूडेंट्स कर लेते हैं, राइट. बट वो प्रोसेस नहीं है, क्योंकि एग्जाम या टेस्ट के टाइम जब भी होगा, एग्जाम जब भी होता है तो वहाँ पे ये मेंशन नहीं रहता है कि ये एडिशन का चैप्टर है, ये सब्ट्रैक्शन का चैप्टर से है. तो आपको सबसे मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ क्या है कि क्वेश्चन समझना है कि क्वेश्चन पूछ क्या रहा है और उसके हिसाब से आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि एडिशन करना है, सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है, मल्टीप्लाई करना है या डिवाइड करना है. ओके, सो दिस इज वेरी सिंपल कि जब भी टोटल निकालने बोला जाता है इसका मतलब यही है कि इसको हम लोग को ऐड करना है, राइट. सो हियर वी हैव टू ऐड. सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट विल बी, हाउ मच इट विल बी. सो सॉफ्ट प्रोड्यूस्ड इन ऑल 3 days इज इक्वल टू, विल ऐड दिस 3. ओके, सो this much 3 2 5 1 plus 2 4 5 6. Okay, there too I don't have space, so I'm writing down. You need to write in line. Okay, so plus how much? 2, 3, 7, 8. Okay, so let's check after adding here. 3, 2, 5, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 3, 2. Should I say 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 1 15. 1 carry 10 plus 8 18. 8 1 carry 8 plus 2 10. 0 1 carry 4 plus 4 8. So 8085. Okay, so 8085. This is the total number of soap produced in all 3 days. Okay, so this will be the required answer. This is how you can solve question number 2. Question number 3 is asking, there is an exhibition. Okay, so the peoples visited on that exhibitions are given for different days. Okay, on Monday this much of people visited, on Tuesday this much of people visited, and on Wednesday this much of people visited. So it is asking how much total number of people visited in these 3 days into that book fair. Okay, so it is very simple that as I told, जैसे मैंने हमने बताया कि इस तरह का कोई भी अगर टोटल निकालने के लिए बोला जाता है, so what we will do is we will add. So let's add these 3. Okay, so let's add these 3. I am adding here 2, 4, 6, 8, 8. No, second is 1 is wrong. Same number of people, how it can be? 2, 4, 6, 8, 3, 2, 2, 9. 3, 2, 2, 9 and 2, 3, 4, 5. First day 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. So first day is 2, 3, 4, 5. 2345. Second day 8, 6, 400, 2000. Third day 9 ones, 2 tens, 200, 3000. So now we'll add. Okay. Let's check after adding. 9 plus 8 is 17. Right? So 17 plus 5 is 17 plus 5 is 22. So 22 is 2. 2 is carry. Okay. So 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 4 1 carry. 8 plus 2 is 10. 0 1 carry. So 5 6 7 8. So 8. 8042. So here answer will be 8042 peoples. So 8042 peoples total visited into that book fair. So this is how you can do question number 3. Question number 4 is asking find the sum. So find the sum means also you have to keep in mind that find the sum means addition. Okay. So find the sum of largest 3-digit number. That means we are already we have learned about the largest 3-digit number or largest number of any particular digit. How we can find out or what it will be. Okay, largest 3-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number. So first we have to write the largest 3-digit number and smallest 4-digit number, and then we will find the sum. So largest 3-digit number is equal to largest 3 digit number is equal to 999, and smallest 4-digit number is equal to smallest 4-digit number is equal to 1 and 3 times 0. Okay, now you have to find the sum of these two. Okay, so sum of these two is equal to 999 plus 1000. Okay, so let's check here. You can write 1000 first also and 999 also. So let's write, not an issue. So 999. As I told you, will write from the right side. So 0, 0, 0 and 1. There, here nothing is there, so you can give 0 or you can leave blank also. So now we'll add. Okay, so 9, 9, 9 and 1. Okay, so how much it will be? 1999. This will be the required answer, the sum of largest 3-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number. So smallest 4-digit number is 1000, largest 3-digit number is 999. Directly also you can very simply say that 1999. Okay, so this is how you can solve question number 4. Question number 5 is asking, there are 2735 cows in a village, and then 3259 buffaloes are there, and 526 goats are there. So total number of cattle you have to find out. इतना काउ है, इतना बफेलो है और इतना गोट्स है, तो आपको टोटल कितना एनिमल्स है वो आपको निकालना है. सो कैसे निकालेंगे? एज आई टोल्ड, टोटल जब भी निकालना होता है हम लोग क्या करते हैं? एडिशन. यस, सो दिस एड दिस एंड फाइंड आउट इक्वल टू दिस मच. Question number 6 is addition. Okay, you have to arrange in column and then you have to add. So I hope you can do by yourself. If you have any doubts in 6, you can ask. Okay, we have learned lots of problems also in our previous video about the addition of large number or arranging the number. So here let's see the question number 7. This is what problems. There is a library in which the number of books, different subjects numbers of books are given. So you have to find the total number of books. If we are talking about our own library or school library, we can ask questions related to that also. For example, I am asking, in our school library the number of mathematics books are 432, and this is mathematics books. And suppose EVS science book we have is 384, and then English book suppose you are taking, okay, maths, EVS, and suppose English book we have is 521. Okay, now I am asking the total number of book in the library. What you will do? Definitely total number of books it is asking, so we will add. So how much it will be? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 13, 3, 1 carry, 5, 10, 13. So 1337 total books including this all. Okay, so this is how we will do this one also. We have to add these 3 and find out how much the total number of books are there in the library. So let's check how much total number of books are there in the library. First we will arrange. So 2, 4, 3, 2, then 8 ones, 2 tens, 300, 4,000, 8 1, 9 tens, 100, 2,000. So we will add now. So 8 plus 8 is 8 or 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. 8, 1 carry. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. So 5, 1 carry. 5 plus 3 is 8, 9. Okay. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay. So 8,958. So total number of books are there in the library is 8,958. So this is how you can do question number 7. That's all about exercise 3.5. So these are all questions we have discussed of exercise 3.5 except question number 6, which is addition. So you will do all the questions by yourself again. Let's discuss some mental mathematics which are very interesting. and slightly tough also. So let's discuss about those all questions. First questions which we have is fill in the blanks with the missing number. Okay, so these are the three blanks is given, missing four missing numbers are given. You have to find the missing number. So very easy. You will say that 6 plus how much is equal to 8. Yes, 6 plus 2 is 8. So here it will be 2. Okay, then 7 plus how much is 4? No, it is not possible. But it is possible 7 plus how much is 14. Why? Because 7 plus any number is not possible 4, but it is possible that the next number, whenever it will be 14, so 4, the right hand side will one's place number will write here, and the another will be carried to that one. Okay, so we will check 7 plus how much is equal to 14. Okay, so to check this, you don't need to count that 7 plus how much is equal to 14, 8, 9, 10. Just you will subtract this 7 from 14. Okay, so 7 if you subtract from 14, then you will find that 7 you have to answer will come. So 7 plus 7 is 14. Okay, so that means here we will get 7, then 7 plus 7 is 14, 4, and 1 will be carried here. Okay, so 1 you should not forget, 1 about 1 also. एक को भी आपको भूलना नहीं है, वो वहाँ पे कैरी होगा, उसको साथ में ऐड करना है. तो यहाँ पे 5 plus 1 is 6. Already 6 is here. So what you will do is you need to check the next number also. Okay, because if you give 0 here, it will be 6 very easily. So you can give 0 also. So let's give 0. So if you give 0, then it will be 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, so 0 only. Then next 5 plus 3 plus how much is equal to 8? Yes, 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. So this is how you can do. Here the most important thing is to understand. यहाँ पे सबसे important चीज है समझने का, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 7 के साथ आप कुछ भी ऐड कर दो 4 नहीं आने वाला है. तो हम लोग नेक्स्ट नंबर देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या देखेंगे? 14. बिकॉज 14 अगर होगा तो 4 हम लोग का यहाँ पे आएगा और 1 कैरी जाएगा. ठीक है, तो 7 plus 7 is 14. तो 7 plus 7 14 होता है. तो यहाँ पे 4 लिखा हमने और 1 कैरी भी कर दिया. ये 1 अगर कैरी नहीं करोगे तो यहाँ पे गलत हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे 1 कैरी किए तो 5 plus 1 is 6. सो देयर इज नो एनी नंबर, और कोई भी नंबर जोड़ना नहीं है, तो हम लोग यहाँ पे 0 करेंगे. ठीक है, 0 देंगे. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन सॉल्व द फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. Please see one more questions related to that. So 8 plus 5 is 13, right? 8 plus 5 is 13. So 13 plus how much is 20? So that 0 will be here and 2 will be carried. So 13 plus how much is equal to 20? Definitely 13 plus 7 is equal to 20. If you subtract 13, you will get 7. So 7, that means 7 you have to add here. Then it will be 20. So 2 and is 0 here. 0 यहाँ पे होगा और 2 इधर कैरी भी आएगा. ठीक है, तो 2 इधर कैरी आके फिर इसको ऐड करना है. तो 2 कैरी आके ऐड करेंगे तो अगेन इट विल बी 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. 8 plus 5 is 13. So 13 plus how much is equal to? Here 13 plus how much is equal to not 20. Here how much we have to check? 25, because after 13 there is if any number is there then 25 only, wherein the ones place digit is 5. अगर 13 के बाद कोई अगर नंबर है तो 15 ही है जिसमें ones place में 5 है, राइट. 14 अगर दोगे तो 4 है, 15 भी है, सॉरी 15 also here. So 13 plus how much you have to check is equal to 15. 13 के बाद 13 से कितना जोड़ा जाए कि 15 हो? Definitely 2. So here you will get 2. So you can check it here. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8, 9, 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. So 15 5 है, 15 का 5 यहाँ पे आया है और 1 फिर इधर ऐड हो जाएगा और 1 फिर इधर ऐड हो जाएगा तो 7, 7 2 और 14. 14 के साथ और कितना जोड़ा जाए कि ये 17 हो. 14 के साथ और कितना जोड़ा जाए कि ये आंसर 17 हो. यस, 3 हम लोग को जोड़ना है तो यहाँ पे 3 हो जाएगा. तो चेक करके देखो 7, 7 2 और 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17, 7. अगेन 7 वंस प्लेस वाला है और 1 कैरी भी इधर जाएगा. ठीक है, तो 1 कैरी जाएगा तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus how much is equal to 8? Yes, 6 plus 2. So here it will be 2. So this is how you can fill in the blanks the rest of all questions of mine.